Let's say you have a bridge or a building, you're focused on the bridge, for example, and there is an earthquake or other event like a tornado or a hurricane or tsunami, whatever it is. Are you going to keep your bridge open, closed, or only to specific first responders people? To answer that question, you need to have an army of bridge engineers sent to the affected site quick and fast. And they need to inspect the bridge and comment on the serviceability of the bridge. You cannot do that fast because you need resources, you need to get the folks there, you need to have their comments back and send it to the law enforcement to close the bridge, and all of these needs to happen in very short time. After an earthquake, the first few hours are the most important time to save lives. Is there any way to expedite that? The way that we are thinking is everyone is using drone. Can you expedite the inspection by a drone? The inspection by drone itself is not a big deal and everyone can do it, but they do not have the knowledge of a bridge engineer that we are sending to the site. Can we artificially make a bridge engineer for inspection purpose only that can be mounted on the drone, or even untrained DOT personnel can go with that device like a mobile application and do the job of bridge engineer with expertise? That's where the collaboration between civil engineering and computer science come in. Dr. Won and I are studying how we can expedite this post-earthquake, post-event inspection by making an artificially intelligent software that can read and sees all of those cracks and damages autonomously. Then comments on the serviceability of the bridge. This bridge should be open just by flying a drone, seeing the damage, performing an analysis on it, very quick and fast, and flashlight or red light the bridge and basically close it, or make it yellow, open only to the first responders, or just to everyone, to public to use that bridge.